Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy Gouchard, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a lemonade detox for master cleansing. Well, I know some of you are wondering what that is. It is basically making a lemonade detox, but it comes with certain ingredients to detox your whole body or detox your whole system to have a new you, especially if you want to lose weight. You know, like me, I'm a mother of 4 and I've gained excess weight and I want to come down to a certain pounds. And so this is what I believe I can do to help me without going to the gym for the moment, and this is really helpful. So stay tuned and watch. Just in case you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified for new videos. Please stay tuned and give this video a massive thumbs up. Let's get this channel growing. Love you all and stay tuned. So first of all, I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm using, and I have my lemons. You can see a whole bunch of lemons. Oh, I'm not playing. I have my bowl for my lemon juice. I also have my mixing cup. I have my measuring cup. I have my squeezer, knife to cut the lemons. I also have my cayenne pepper. I have water, gallon of water. It's filtered. And I have maple syrup. So before I start, I'm going to cut these lemons into 2, but to make my job easier, I'm rolling it to squeeze the juice, you know, and cut all the lemons into 2. I'm going to use my squeezer to squeeze all the lemons that I'm squeezing out the juice. This is hard work, but if you have the electronic squeezer, then you're so good to go. It should look something like this after you squeeze. This is what it should look like. I'm gonna grab the next one. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the rest, and I'll be right back. Please stay tuned. Alright, so this is the finished look of my lemon juice, you know. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to this water in this gallon here. Let me pour some out. Yeah. I'm going to put my funnel on top. I'm pouring it straight into the strainer through the funnel to the gallon. And the reason why I'm using a strainer is because I want to get rid of all the excess fiber in my lemon and the seeds. So I want it to be smooth. I'm going to measure 1 cup of maple syrup. And add it. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm going to shake it to make the whole thing. And this is the finished look. I'm going to store it in my refrigerator, and I'm gonna be using this as my daily bread of food every day. And it's supposed to be a 21-day detox. This is my first time, so I'm gonna do like a 7 days and see how it works. But if you want to see the live results, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe guys, subscribe. And don't just subscribe. In order to get notified, click the notification bell so you'll be among the first to watch my new videos, so you don't miss out the results. Let's see if this is gonna work. It is actually my first time also. Thank you all for watching, and bye. See you all in my next video.